Today, I'm going to show you how to properly install the air assist on the Laser Z1. Weeks ago, I showed you how to install the air assist already, but as you can see, this metal tube is hitting this rail on the right-hand side, and that's not good. You paid for 400 millimeter on the x-axis, and you're only getting 380 millimeter. That's not good. We're going to mod it a little bit just for you to get all 400 millimeter of x-axis travel. First, unscrew these two. 1, 2. Once you unscrew them, go ahead and toss this metal piece away. You're not going to need it at all. Next, remove this little screw. Well, actually loosen the little screw that's holding this metal piece onto the laser. Once you loosen it, then you can rotate this whole metal piece right here into the back. If you did everything correctly, then this is what you should see on the top, looking down. Here you can see that the tube is no longer sticking out. You can see that I rotated it so that you can see it straight down here. Next, release all 4 thumb screws. If you want, you can remove the laser, but I'm too lazy to do that. I'm just going to rest it on the rail. Then I use metal bits to drill 2 holes into this mount right here. 1, 2. This is aluminum, I believe, so the metal is very soft. You should be able to do it within 5 seconds, total of 10 seconds for 2 holes. Here's this metal piece that you no longer need. You can toss it into that bag of pieces that you'll probably never use, but you want to save it anyway. Now you can secure the laser module onto the mount with the 4 thumb screw back into position. Since you no longer have the metal piece to hold this flexible tube, go ahead and use zip tie. Don't try to suffocate this tube or else the air will not flow out of the air assist. This is the end result. Here we are on the right hand side rail again. You can see that there's no gap whatsoever. You got the full 400 millimeter back in business. Hopefully you found this mod helpful. I really appreciate you guys subscribing to my channel. And thanks for watching.